Hello, Rick Bo. This is my first day of retirement, and I'm out here in the garage working on my Hustler Raptor. I got this hitch from Amazon that bolts on the back. It kind of extends the point out to where you mount your ball. So that's what I'm doing. I'm installing that on my 2017 Hustler Raptor 54-inch SDX, and come along with me while I figure this out. I could just mount it like that, but I think it looks better to have it mounted like that. But I can't get to these inside holes. I can't drill the inside holes because that muffler's in the way. So I think I'm going to try to take this engine guard off and just leave this part here. And then I might even install this between this and this. That'd really be strong. But let's take this off and let's see how it goes. Universal zero turn mower. All I see is 4 bolts that hold that on. Right, because I just saw it move when I took that bolt out. There. Come off. See, now I might be able to mount that between the two. Well, I couldn't do that. That would look pretty good. Plus it'd be supported down and forward and backward. Okay, I think I'll do that. And I don't think it's too wide to where I think these holes will still line up. Let's give it a try. Okay. Center that. Okay, I've got that centered. Now let me drill these holes out. Oh, I just thought of something. I'll have to put it all the way through. Well, maybe not, because these are kind of a flat head with a shoulder on them to fit in that hole. Maybe they'll fit flush enough to where it won't be too thick, or I can put that back on. Let me try it. Okay, I got a pilot hole drilled. Let's take it to the next size. Maybe that won't be too thick. Okay, I've got that bolted up. Let's see if the engine guard will fit back on there with all that extra thickness. Okay, I've decided that would be too much rounding out or oblonging to do that, so I've decided to drill holes in this back engine guard and just have the bolts go all the way through. That way they're not as thick through here, and I don't think I'll have to do any oblonging on those side holes. So let me put that together and see how it looks. Now if I can just get these side bolts in, all I'll have to do is tighten everything up. Okay, let's see about this side. Oh yeah, I think that'll work. Okay, I've got them all in. Just have to tighten them up. That ought to be good. I was going to drill a hole through here where the original hole is in the mower, but I really don't think it's going to need it because all the weight's going to be pushing down on this whole plate. And then with it sandwiched between this and that, it ought to be plenty strong. And I'm not going to pull anything very heavy. I just need to move small trailers around the yard when it's muddy, when I can't get my truck in the backyard. So yeah, I think that's going to work out good. There's the finished install. It ain't going nowhere. Turned out pretty good. I just need to get a ball. May have to open that hole up a little bit. Okay, I've got the hitch mounted with the ball, and then I've got the reflector mounted, so when I'm mowing the ditches up there on along the highway, people can see me. Turned out pretty good. That stout ain't going nowhere.